Hello everyone. So now we are moving towards the intestines. So we have two intestines. First is the small intestine and second one is large intestine. First you all should have seen this. No, I am explaining. This is a small intestine and this is a large intestine. First question is why it is called small and why that is called large. Just because which is our small intestine, that is too much big rather than a small intestine. But small intestine are very short volume and a thin tube, so that's why this is a very thin volume and very short, so that's why it is called small intestine, but it is too much long than large intestine. But large intestine have a very broad volume and small intestine have very narrow volume. Okay, so that's why that is called small and that is called large according to volume. Otherwise small intestine too much long than large intestine. Done? I think it is clear to you all. So first what I have covered in that video, that is stomach, and one thing I have skipped, that is the lipase is also lipase enzyme is also secrete in stomach. So what that have done by lipase, that is 3% of fat digest in your stomach with protein. Protein is also digested in stomach by pepsin and renin, but lipase is also digest in stomach, that is 3% of fat. Okay, and yes, one more thing, what is called a study of stomach, that is called gastrology. What is called study of liver, that is called hepatology. Okay, but we have just completed our digestion. So after stomach then this your food, that is chyme, where it's it's now moved through duodenum. A small intestine have three parts, that is duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Okay, so duodenum is U-shaped, which is absorbed and you can say received your chyme, and two more things secreted in your small intestine, that is bile juice and your pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice released by pancreas, and bile juice which is made by liver. Here is liver, you can see this is liver, this is gallbladder. Liver is secreted bile juice, only made bile juice, not secreted. After that your bile juice stored in your gallbladder, and gallbladder by bladder duct it's secreted. Okay, bile juice, and pancreatic juice secreted by pancreas. Here is pancreas. Okay, so I think this is clear to you all. So duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Okay, so duodenum only secreted and received the chyme. Next is jejunum. Jejunum is present I have not met here finger like structure. In a small intestines a finger like structure, just very small finger like structure, that is called villi. Okay, so villi is too much important because that is absorbed to your nutrition and everything from your chyme. That is everything absorbed, and after that transferred to your blood, which is flow to your from your capillaries, vessels, arteries in your body. That is a part of your circulation system, circulatory system. We have covered in that video. But before that, you know very well, you should know very well, that is your villi is responsible for giving to nutrition in your blood, which is circulated in your whole body. So that's why villi is very important. Villi absorb your nutrition from your chyme and transfer to your blood. Okay, After that it's gone ileum. This is a large digestion part, because we have also called that is in a small intestine. Final digestion occur in small intestine. After that in large intestine we have digestion. We have only what we have only in large digestion, large intestine, large intestine only for absorption, not for digestion. Your digestion completed in a small intestine. Now we are talking about large intestine. Large intestine also have three parts. First is cecum, second one is colon, and third one is rectum. You can see rectum and anus. I have also covered this. Okay, so cecum is opening of large intestine. After ileum your chyme went to in your cecum for absorption. So after cecum it's gone through the colon. Colon is the largest part of large intestine, and after that it's gone to your rectum. Your chyme is stored in rectum until you released your waste material through the anus. Okay, and one more thing to be very clearly, we have to not waste material to our all material, like all our food. We have to only release that food which is undigested, which is harmful for us. Not all food, okay, not all things. We have to not released our all our waste material, that is form of all food. We have only released our waste material which is undigested, food, only that released by your anus. Okay, until that is stored in your rectum. And large intestine also responsible for absorption of water, and especially for drugs. Okay, so I think I have covered small intestine and large intestine, just because I have met this digestive system, that's why today I have covered. Otherwise today I have not want to met this, but I think digestion is completed from my side. I can make also separate video in bilingual, as I have met in previous videos, but in whenever I talk, that is not too much slowly. I have covered everything overall, not too much deeply. Okay, so I think that's all are covered by me. Okay, so I think thank you so much for watching me and support me, and please comment me if you didn't understand anything. Okay, so bye.